Hey there, Lux lovers. It's me, Daniel, and I have a very exciting video today. I've been looking forward to it all day. I actually got everything I ordered today. I expected one thing to come tomorrow, but it actually all came together. So I'm really excited about that. It's me, Daniel. If you haven't been here before, I post luxury videos, inspired stuff, fashion things, all of that good stuff. I'm just gonna unbox a couple things. It's 3 things, and I believe two of them are sweaters, one's a blazer. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit. I just kind of went with the size that was available, and I think everything I got was like just one in stock. So I got really lucky. And if there's any background noise, I apologize. It's probably like the fan or the air or something like that. I don't know. But I purchased 2 things from Tradesy and 1 thing from Farfetch. 2 of the items I got are pre-loved and 1 is brand new. I've actually never purchased anything from Farfetch before, so I'm really excited to see what I got. Well, I know what I've got, but you know, let's just open it. I'm excited. I have my keys, no scissors here today. This is the box it came in, and I like the little F's on the tape. I don't know if you see that, it's upside down, but let's just open this bad boy. Right now I have my phone. My setup is kind of a little sad. I have it like propped up on these books that my fiance got me. It's like the history of like Chanel and stuff, or one of them is. It's an illustrated history of her, and the other is like, what is it? It's like a photographic essay thing. I don't know. But I'm really enjoying it. I haven't been reading it lately, but I'm gonna get back to that. And I'm gonna figure out how to open this. Hold on. Oh, duh. Not duh, because I still don't know how to open this. Oh. Little did I know that there was that to just rip it off. Great, Daniel. Ew, so... Oh, sweet. Okay. Oh, man. I had a feeling, I'm not sure if I've seen any, I don't think I've seen any unboxings from Farfetch, but it comes with a return booklet thingy majig, and like I said, I purchased a sweatshirt. I got it in the large size. I'm not going to say what it is because you'll find out soon enough, and I love the like gold, like foil, well not foil, but it's like gold inside. It's really pretty. And here we have a Burberry sweatshirt, and it's in its gift packaging, which is really special and neat. I've never gotten this before. I got it for I got my fiance a pair of pants, but they didn't work out, so we returned it. But I have my very own packaging now. So we're gonna untie this, if I can do that. Okay, pretty ribbon. And we're just gonna open her up. More packaging inside. Oh man. Ooh, okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Just gonna set this down. So I don't know how big this is gonna be. I'll do like mod shots of me trying it on. But this is the sweater. That's the tag. And I've actually never seen this anywhere, but I just saw it on Farfetch, and it has all of these. It said the embellishments were like handmade. They're like I forgot what material it was. Looks like it's like wool or something, but so cute. And there's like a bee. It's kind of hard to see, but oh man, this is really special. Let me stand up. So this is the sweatshirt as a whole, and I got it in the size large because Burberry tends to run a little small, because there was this and a medium, but I was like, let me go with the large because I know it's probably going to be a little small. So yeah, basically it's kind of just like a plain gray jersey sweatshirt with the, you know, like softness inside. And yeah, Not much to really go over, but I'm liking it so far. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it or return it. And this, like I said, this was the last one in stock. So I was like, I have to act now because with everything here, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little excited, but with everything here, it was the last thing. Or I'll tell you the story about the next sweater. But I knew I would be so mad if I didn't buy this specific sweater because I couldn't find it anywhere else. I tried. I was like, you know what? Before I buy it, let me see if it's anywhere else, if it's cheaper, or if it does go out of stock, I'll be able to buy it again somewhere else, or I'll be able to actually buy it. And it wasn't anywhere, so I feel bad for the sucker that had it in their favorites. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry if you did. I'm gonna tell you the price of everything that I got. From what I remember, it was roughly $237 US. So it wasn't cheap, but originally it was some other price. I'm so sorry, I'm not being helpful at all. Okay, so that was the first sweater. Next, I'm gonna move on to one thing I got from Tradesy. You know what? I'll save the other sweatshirt, the most special one, the one I don't know how it's gonna fit, last. So this is the blazer that I got. And this blazer was not expensive. It was like $32. I got it because I'll explain after I open. Oh wait, no. This is what, okay. I intended to open this one last, but I'll just open it now. Left a little thank you note. Thank you for your purchase of the Stella McCartney Intarsia knit sweater. What did you say? Intarsia? Whatever. So right here, I don't know if you'd be able to tell automatically. I don't know. Oh man, this is big. Okay, so right before I reveal the whole thing, a little story about it. So a while ago, I'm not sure how long ago it was, but I saw this sweater on sale, or it was on Tradesy for $500 something. And at the time, I wasn't making like a lot of money. I still am not now, but like I tend to bring in a little extra income sometimes. So I get to use that to buy some luxury goods that I want for myself and my fiance because I'm trying to get him into stuff. But anyways, I messaged the seller on Tradesy if it were still available, and they didn't respond. And then eventually, it was in my favorites for a while, but then eventually it said this item is unavailable. And I was like, no, I really wanted it super badly. You know, it's like go shopping and like just going out because that was in the description of the item and that made me really want it even more. But yeah, so then it kind of just like went away and it slipped my mind. And then I think I stumbled upon it again on Tradesy from a different seller. And then I did the same thing I did with the Burberry sweater. I looked around to see if I'd be able to find it anywhere else, and I did. However, I paid around $325 and some change. And what I found this for on Farfetch, the same place I bought this Burberry sweater, I found it for $1,092, the exact same sweater. So, and this is, you know, guaranteed authentic, but oh my God. Okay, here we go. Right off the bat, it's really heavy. I think it might be a little too big for me. Oh man. So this is a wool sweater from Stella McCartney. And it's supposed to be oversized, but I think it's kind of... It's like half my body. Oh my God. I really hope this would be wearable. It kind of looks like a poncho almost. But yeah, I'll insert mod shots. But my favorite, I don't know, it's just so different. I love the oversized like look of it. The sleeves are super wide. And I just love Stella McCartney in general. I love her pieces. I think that her bags or like her pieces in general can kind of be a little plain sometimes, but then I don't know, there's just like an elegance but edginess to it. I really don't know how to explain it. It's very unique, but I'm really excited to try this on, so I'll insert the shots right here. And yeah, I haven't seen anything like this before. You know, it's just black and white. Well, yeah, it's kind of like a off-white cream, but it has simple colors, but it's such a unique design. I can't wait to wear it. So that was this sweater. And then finally onto the last thing that I bought. Let's go. Okay, so now we're on to the final package, and this one was from Tradesy as well. I love Tradesy. I've purchased so many things from there, and I've been happy with everything I bought. Some things I think I've resold, but I don't know if that's like, you're not supposed to do that, but you know, I tend to, you know, give things another home if I'm not using it, and you know, I'll be accurate with the descriptions that I list, but I do sell a lot of my luxury goods that I don't use anymore. Just checking. Okay. You'll see that the color scheme is kind of the same of the sweater. Ooh. Okay, so just to give you a little hint, it's not Chanel, but I've been really into Chanel lately, so this is part of a inspired design. So, well, I'll just show you first. So this is what I bought. This is the blazer, and I think it would actually fit me. I thought it would be too big, but I think it might work. So I paid $32 for this. I think originally it was like 80 bucks or something. I don't know. So the story on me buying this and why I chose it is because I watch a lot of luxury YouTubers and videos and that kind of thing on YouTube, and usually it's mostly women, or I think it's only women that I watch, but you know, they have these nice like Chanel jackets or blazers, you know, like the really expensive ones, and I was like, oh my god, they're so lucky that they can afford and buy these like, you know, super pricey jackets, but they're so beautiful. And then when they say, you know, sometimes they'll say what they're wearing, where they got it from, and they'll say that it was from Zara. I'm like, what? I thought that was Chanel. Maybe it's probably because I haven't been, you know, well taught, or, you know, I'm just getting into the luxury community, and I'm really starting to notice and understand different things, but it's like the tweed kind of blazer jacket thing, and then the little fringe on the collar, and you know, honestly, I think the person never wore this because it's in like perfect condition. And this is the whole thing. I got it in a size large, and it has 2 pockets in the front with 2 buttons. And it's got like a textile here. Let me open this. Yeah, it has like a satin lining on the inside. But yeah, great condition. It's like, hold on, sorry, it's like blowing out so much. There we go. This would look lovely, and I mean lovely, with a Chanel brooch right here. I haven't decided which side, but yes, little spoiler alert, I am saving to splurge for a brooch. I want one so badly, but they're a lot of money. But we'll get there eventually. But yeah, let me put that aside. Yeah, that's everything I bought recently, and usually when I buy stuff, I'm like super excited to get it, but I tried to tone myself down for this so I wouldn't get too excited, because like, what if something didn't fit? I wouldn't really have anything to exchange it for, because, you know, I got the last of everything. So I don't know. I guess I got pretty lucky, and it looks like everything's gonna fit me relatively well, but yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you like these pieces as well. I can't wait to wear them out, and now I'm starting to finally get stuff to dress up to go out with my fiance, because apparently I like to stay at home a lot. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would, you know, recommend it if you like these videos, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you would like to see more. But that's all I've got. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.